Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to go about turning off restricted mode on YouTube. So if you notice some content is hidden or restricted, and then I'll show you how to disable it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a web browser. So dito ay kahit anong web browser naman ay pwede po siya. So open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. At dito lang sa searching address bar, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung youtube.com and then press mo lang yung enter. And once na open mo na, and then punta lang tayo sa ating YouTube channel. And then kung paano ba natin i-turn off yung restricted mode dito sa YouTube. So dito lang sa top right corner, and then kailangan mo lang i-tap or i-click mo tong ating YouTube profile. So click mo lang yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung restricted mode. So makikita mo kaagad, and then off. Okay, so i-tap mo lang yan. And then restricted mode, this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. So this settings only applies to this browser. And activate restricted mode. So kung gusto mo itong i-activate, itap mo lang dito or i-turn mo lang dito yung kanyang button, dito siya. Alright, so ganun lang po guys kasimple on how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.